Imagine a child named Rohan, super smart, everyone said. That Rohan, he's going places. But Rohan, he lived like he had an endless supply of time. He would play with his friends all day, get lost in his phone for hours, chat about anything and everything. "I'll do it later," was his favorite phrase. Homework? Later. Studying? Later. Everything was later. His parents tried to warn him. "Rohan, time's precious. Don't let it slip away." But he didn't get it. He believed he had all the time in the world. Then, bam, exam results. He failed. Badly. Teachers were disappointed. Friends drifted away. And Rohan? He felt awful. But he didn't know how to change. He visited his grandmother. "Grandma, I don't get it. I'm smart, but I messed up. Rohan, you're like a gardener with the most precious seeds. But you're letting weeds choke them out. Time is like monsoon rain. If you don't plant your seeds when it arrives, the dry season will come and nothing will grow." Let me tell you about Mr. Kamal. Mr. Kamal was a man of procrastination. "I'll handle my accounts tomorrow," he would say. Then, somehow, tomorrow became the next day, and the next as too. Daily conversations, games, wasted time. Then, a new merchant arrived, organized, efficient, diligent. Mr. Kamal was, light chuckle, forgive the pun, in the poor house. His disorganized accounts, missed chances. He lost his business to a man with good time sense. And ironically, and at last, Rohan understood. "So, can I still change the outcome, Grandma?" "Certainly, sweetheart, you can do it. Start immediately, make a plan, study every day, and treat your time like it is the most valuable thing you have." And so, he did. Waking up early, that became his norm. His energy, laser focused on his studies. Distractions, gone. He refused to waste even a single moment. And what do you think happened next? He nailed his upcoming tests. But wait, he didn't stop there. Rohan took things a step further. Inspired by Mr. Kamal's story, he did something radical for a guy his age. He started his own little business. And just like that, Rohan became the poster boy for using your time wisely equals guaranteed success.